It's time for a Smarty Bit. Little bitty bits of smart.
Welcome back to Smarty Van. Today I'm in Lake Elsinore, California. I'm looking at a van build that's in progress, and the customer of this van build saw the Smarty Van mag locks and wanted them in her build. But she's not doing a fully automated van build, so I built her a control module. The builder of this van's already run the wiring, so I'm gonna get this installed and then we'll take a look at how it works.
The board I'm using has 16 channels of output with 3 amps max per channel. This ESP32 based board has 18 dry contact inputs, and the board and MOSFETs are powered by 12 to 24 volts. We'll be using a single momentary push button with LED as a multifunction button. I also have a mag lock here for testing. I've been using a switch to simulate the ignition of the vehicle while I develop the board. And of course, this is all powered by ESPHome.
All right, the wiring's all done and the control module is in the electrical compartment. Let me just show you how this works. There's a single momentary button here, and with one push, the LED comes on and the drawers lock. And another push, the drawers unlock and the LED goes out. This button will get mounted in the control panel here. The ignition will also control the locks. When the ignition turns on, the light comes on and the drawers will lock. And when the ignition turns off, after a delay, the drawers will unlock. There's also a service mode. If I hold down the button for 4.5 seconds, you'll see the light starts pulsing and the drawers will lock. This overrides the ignition control and makes sure the drawers stay locked if the van is in for service or parked somewhere for an extended period of time. The button does not override that with a single push when you're in service mode. You need to hold the button for another 4.5 seconds. You can also hold the button for 10 seconds and the light starts flashing rapidly to indicate that the Wi-Fi has been turned on the control module. This allows you to log into a web interface and set some settings, like the ignition turn off delay and the brightness of the LED. So if you're looking for a way to develop a control module without a full-blown home automation platform, then maybe ESPHome is the way to go. And if you're not up for doing it yourself and you want some help creating a module for your van, don't hesitate to reach out at smartyvan.com. All right, until next time, safe travels.
This has been a Smarty Bit.